Welcome back to Easy Click Learning. In this video, I will show you how to use the search function in Excel. Search function helps you find the position of one piece of text inside another. Okay, let's dive right in. The formula is pretty simple. Here is the syntax. Find text. What you are looking for. Within text, where you are looking. Start number optional. It tells Excel where to start searching. If you skip it, Excel starts at the beginning. Let's say we have this data set. Now I want to find where the word Turner appears in column A. In cell E2, type this formula. And hit enter. Excel returns 7. That means the word Turner starts at the 7 character. Let's say you have data set like this. This contains 2 dashes. The goal is to find the position of the second dash in the text. To find the second dash, type this formula. Outer search function looking for the position of a dash. Inner search function finds the first dash in the text and returns its position. Adding one ensures that the second search starts just after the first dash. Press enter, done. The second dash is at position 10. Search becomes even more powerful when combined with other functions like left, mid, or right. Let's say you have a full name in cell A2 and you want to extract only the first name. To do this, we use the search function combined with the left function. Type this formula. This part looks for the position of the first space in the cell A2. Subtracting one adjusts the result to exclude the space itself. In this case, the space position is 6 and minus 1 equal 5, which represents the length of the first name. The left function extracts a specific numbers of characters from the beginning of the text A2. Press enter. The formula returns the first name. And that's the magic of the search function. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, share, and don't forget to subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more tips and tricks. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I did love to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.